Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Dgtal Grow, your partner in digital marketing and smart web solution. Today I am going to show you how to change the email sender name in Contact Form 7. Yes, that little detail that can make or break your email deliverability and professionalism. If your clients are seeing WordPress or a random name instead of your business name, let's fix that the right way. Why does this matter? Well, your email sender name is the first impression in the inbox. If it's confusing or unbranded, your messages could end up ignored or worse in spam. Let's make your email look legit, trusted, and branded. If you have WP SMTP plugin, then click enable this and let's test is it working properly or not. Go to your website and fill up the form for testing purpose. Just go to your mail and refresh it. Yeah, we got the mail, but the name isn't changed. It's showing me. So we have to change it. So now we have to install a plugin. Just go to plugin and click add new plugin. Search for WP change email sender. You have to install the first one. Click install. Start installing. Click activate. Now go to the plugins setting. And put your name here. I put my website name so that it will build that trustability. Save it. And now go to your website and test it again. Now we will put here our valid Gmail. I am input my valid Gmail for testing purpose. I got the mail. Now click here and reply to this mail. We got this mail from our website. The client put it. So now I will reply to this mail. So that client will get the reply. Let's see how it will look like from client's end. So I'll go to my valid Gmail and refresh it. Boom, it's showing the name Dgtal Grow. So it's built my brand visibility and trustability. At Dgtal Grow, we help businesses optimize every part of their digital presence, from forms like this to scale Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Google Analytics, and many more. If you're stuck with tech stuff like this or want your website and marketing to actually generate leads and marketing, just comment below.